Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Justine and I am super excited right now because I'm about to unbox my first pair of Irregular Choice shoes. Oh, they're sitting here. I'm so crazy excited. I have wanted Irregular Choice for a long time, and I've been watching YouTubers open them up and just have these beautiful shoes, and then finally my time came. They're here. I am so excited. I bought these during their sale that they just recently had. I don't know if it's still going on, but I woke up at 1 a.m. They're 9 a.m. to be one of the first people to go in to buy shoes because I wanted the shoes I wanted. I had been intending to get this specific pair of like pink with heart shoes, but unfortunately they weren't part of the sale, so that's fine. There were lots and lots of other shoes I loved. I also really wanted this pair that I can't remember the name of, but I'll put the photo right here because they remind me a lot of Captain America with the color scheme, and I was so close to buying them, but they're very tall. And I was worried I wouldn't wear them as much as like another pair because of like their height. So I didn't get them. I'm regretting it a little bit because I still really love them, but I do love these ones as well. So it's okay. Next time. I'll get those ones next time. I am literally too excited to chat for long, so let's just open these up. I was so excited at the door that like the postman was excited for me. He's like, oh my god, what's in there? I'm like, shoes, man. You don't understand. Like, the most beautiful shoes. And you could tell, like, he didn't really care, but he's like, oh, cool, like, going along with me. So I really appreciate that, postal man. You did a great job. Oh, they come in the cutest box! Oh my god, Irregular Choice is just the cutest boxes. I know sometimes their themed ones are way cuter. Like I saw the Toy Story one and that was adorable, but like this is really nice all in itself. Like everything they do is a work of art. So this is gorgeous and I'm one step closer to my shoes. Before we actually get to the shoes that are in there, I also ordered myself a little extra because it was on sale along with the shoes. And it came in this really cute green, or I guess mint, I don't know. Really cute pouch. It came in a really cute pouch. And then it's in a little plastic baggie. I got a little unicorn ring. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I love it so much. Just a little extra thing that I wanted to add on since, you know, there was the sale. Maybe not like the smartest decision, but it's so cute. And it matches the look today. I'm gonna wear it. Oh my god. It is like an adjustable size ring. I can see that, but I'm not really strong enough to like close that any tighter. So I'm just gonna move it to this finger. It fits nicely on there, and that's all I need. Here's a close-up of the unicorn ring looking super cute on my finger. I'm really excited to wear this all the time. I seriously love unicorns. I can't help myself. Okay, I got my ring. Let's do the shoes finally. Oh my god, it comes out so cute. The tissue paper is cute. This is amazing. Okay, we have got a catalog. That's really cool. It's only gonna make me want more shoes, but that's fine. I can deal with that. I already knew this was going to become quite an addiction for me. These are beautiful shoes, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to say no in the future. Let's get this tissue paper. Oh, I can see them. You can see them. Guys, look at them. Oh my god, I am so excited. Ugh. They're even more beautiful in person. Like, not that I didn't think they would be, but oh my god, these are absolutely gorgeous. They remind me a lot of Minnie Mouse, the red and the white. They're not part of the Disney collection, but I think they're still super cute and Minnie-ish anyway. And they got a decent heel without being too high, so I'm not afraid to wear them. So that's excellent. The base is this really cute floral, again from the box. Now, I seem to remember, I think it was Pixie Locks talking about how you can get something to stick on so you don't ruin the artwork when you walk. I wasn't thinking of that at the time because you only had a certain amount of time on the website when the sale was on. I wish it had kind of been like a little pop-up, like, hey, we recommend this. But that's okay. I want to wear them anyway. Next time I order from them, I'll make sure to add that in. Oh, they are so flippin' cute. So here they are. A little bit closer. There's the bottom. The inside is the same pattern as well, with this cute little like snake skin looking pattern going on. And they stuff it nice and well so the shoe stays in its shape for shipping, which is really, really awesome. These are literally the cutest flippin' thing I have ever seen in my life. Here they are on. Oh my god, it's so cute. I feel like not only Minnie, like I said, but like the Wizard of Oz going on here, like gonna click my heels. They're so cute. I definitely have to break them in, I think. I've heard Pixie Lux talk about this in her videos with them. This part is quite stiff and is digging into my little bone here, which is not the most comfortable. But I'm sure after wearing for a little bit, it'll be okay. And if not, maybe there's like some way to loosen it a little bit or something. I do not know. But I definitely love them anyway. Oh, look at these. I'm so excited. I am so freaking happy right now. I love these shoes. I know it was a quick little unboxing video, but I couldn't like put any suspense into it. I was just so excited for them. I hope you guys really like them too. Let me know if you have any Irregular Choice shoes and which ones you have. And if you don't, which ones would you recommend I buy? What do you like? I want to buy them all, so I eventually will get through all of them. I know as well it's been 2 like shopping unboxing videos in a row, and I do try and spread them out, so thank you for sticking it out with me. I promise there will be something different next week. Again, thank you so much for tuning in, everybody. Bye.